Hello and welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. My name is Von Marie or Von Marie Design. I'm kicking off the YouTube video giveaway hop. We are celebrating the newest release to hit the Cat Scrappiness store. Our creative crew video team has some beautiful projects to share using the new fall release products that has just been released. There are stencils, layered stencils, a new paper pad, new die set, and a new stamp with a coordinating die. Hop along today for a chance to win $25 to the Cat Scrappiness store. This is a hashtag-driven hop, hashtag KSFall 2023, hashtag KSFall 2023. Just put that in the search, and for some reason, if that doesn't work, in the description, I will have everyone participating in the hop. We would love it if you could visit each channel and give a like and a comment on each video. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing to their channels. To enter the giveaway, sign up for the KS newsletter and fill out the raffle copter link. The products I have been showcasing are from our amazing social media team. If you would like to check out more projects, join us on Instagram where we have another hop. And yes, you can win there too. So hop along on both YouTube and Instagram and have 2 chances to win. The deadline for both hops is October 13th. If you subscribe and hit that notification bell, you won't miss a video. Make sure to check back to see if you're one of our lucky winners here on YouTube. Thanks for hopping by today and have a wonderful day.